Yeah, I quite like that. Felt really solid. The new Cleveland Golf Huntington Beach, or HB Soft putters, deliver score-dropping technology in a finely crafted package. Let's find out more about them. Here at Golf Warehouse, we love the Cleveland range of putters, packed full of technology and always at a really great price. And the new Huntington Beach Soft range is no different. You've got speed optimized face technology, or soft, which provides consistent distance, while tour-proven shapes offer a look only a master craftsman can achieve. So, soft is a milling pattern that corrects off-centre putts. Cleveland claim that with the HB Soft putters, your centre strikes and mishits roll out about the same distance. Another feature with soft is the unique pattern on each putter's shape to ensure total optimization across the range. The 304 stainless steel provides a soft yet crisp feel, giving the perfect balance between softness and feedback. And a lower centre of gravity enhances stability on all strikes for putts that just want to go straight. And finally, deep CNC milled grooves provide a softer feel, a purer roll, which improves accuracy. The Cleveland Golf Huntington Beach Soft putters come in different head shapes, all with stainless steel shafts and Golf Pride grips. They come in both left and right-handed options and are all 35 inches in length. All our Golf Warehouse stores nationwide have a fantastic putting area for you to pick the right putter. So we say come on in, try out the new Cleveland Golf Huntington Beach Soft putters for yourself, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also check out our awesome content over here. We'll see you soon.